Hello everyone, I'm Tia, and I am the lecturer for the anime course. In the first course, I will show you the way to draw anime face accurately and proportionally, the way to draw lines beautifully, the way to sketch a character, as well as the way to design an anime character in the simplest way, in black and white or basic colors. I will teach you the fundamental but essential knowledge so that beginners who have no prior knowledge of drawing can create an anime style product on their own. You can draw a quality product. From there, you can continue to participate in the next courses.